Good morning, school family. I'm outside my backyard because I'm getting ready to go on a shape hunt with you. We're gonna go walk around my neighborhood. We're gonna take some looks at our shape hunt picture from our lesson plan and see if you can see all the different shapes that I'm finding. All right, here we go. All right, let's let our neighborhood shape hunt begin. Ooh, and I get to stop right away and look here. What shape did I find right away? It's round, has no sides. It's a circle. Take a look at your shape hunt graph and make a mark if you found a circle too. Okay. Going on a shape walk. I'm noticing something here right at the end of my driveway. It's a piece of sidewalk. What do you notice about the lines in the sidewalk? Do you say they make a square or a rectangle? I see 4 sides and 4 corners. Mark off a square on your shape hunt. Let's keep going. Hey, do you see what I see right there? There's 3 different shapes. I'm gonna stop so you can focus on them. There's one shape way in the distance that is yellow. Do you see what shape that is? Yep, it's a rhombus or a diamond. How about those 2? I see a triangle and a rectangle. Do you see the triangle and the rectangle? All right, let's continue on our walk and see what other shapes we can find. Here I am again. Let's see. Do you see what I see in this fence? There's a bunch of rhombuses all put together. All right, let's look for some more shapes. Do you know what this yellow thing is? It's a fire hydrant. Or is yours yellow or red by your house? But look at the front of this fire hydrant. What shape is the front of that? I see a really big circle. All right, we can check off another one. All right, we have to cross the street. Look to the right. Look to the left. One more time, back to the right. No cars. We can cross safely. It's a busy, busy time in my neighborhood. I hear a lot of machines working and people talking and just being outside. Let's look right here. What shape is that sign? We can check off another rectangle. See any other shapes? More rectangles. Do you see the big rectangles that are making that fence up right there? Right by this baseball diamond? I see more circles. Do you see the wheels on this car and that car? Let's see what else we can see. I made it to a local park. I wonder if we can find any shapes here. Let's take a look here. What do you see? Any shapes? I see a little one right there. What shape is that hole? You're right, it's an oval. Let's see if we can find any other shapes on this playground. What are these shapes? More circles? Check out the little holes on the steps right there. What are those shapes? They're tiny little ovals. Let's see, anything else? Lots of circles are here. Look here. Do you see the rectangles here? And more rectangles there. And there too. There are lots and lots of rectangles out in our neighborhood. Let's see. That sign has pictures with different things for a treasure hunt at this playground. I see a circle in there, a little yellow one with a 10 on it, and it's all inside one big white circle. Oh, here, look at this rope climbing ladder. What shape do the ropes make? A bunch of little squares. Thanks for going on a neighborhood shape hunt with me. I hope you get to walk around your neighborhood, and if you get to go to a playground, just remember, be safe. Here's a look at our shape graph that we're using today for our neighborhood shape hunt. The top has a rectangle, then an oval, then a square, a diamond, a circle, and a triangle. And on the right side, you'll see a 10 frame. There aren't any dots in it yet, but that's up to you to fill in. As you go on your walk, you can put a dot for every shape that you find. If you found 2 rectangles, you'll put 2 dots in. Today on our walk, we only found 2 ovals, so I would put 2 dots in my 10 frame. What about that rhombus? I think we found a lot when we saw the fence. There were also a lot of circles at the playground when we got there. Do you remember the triangle? I think we only saw 1 of those, so I would only put 1 dot in there. I wonder how many different kinds of shapes are in your neighborhood. Have fun looking!